Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to Patched.
Welcome back.
Yes, and today we got a leak for you guys, and that is of the glorious Model D minus.
Yep, so they've been hinting at it for a while now on their Twitter and Instagram pages, sort of giving little tips. Now this is something we sort of expected, knew it was coming. We got the O, and then we got the O minus, and then we got the D, and then the D minus. So all they've posted for now is an image of a white Model D next to the black D minus. We don't know any information like weight or anything like that just yet, but judging by the fact that this was 68 grams for the Model O, and then the O minus weighing in at 58 grams on our scale, we would expect around a 10 gram weight reduction for this, which is more than welcome, because this is 69 grams. It's kind of going to ruin the meme a little bit, but that's okay. You know, a smaller Model D is going to be great, because if you're expecting 58, 59 grams, somewhere around there, for the D minus, that's going to be excellent. That's going to be perfect. Looking at the size between these two, it's a pretty large reduction, which is good because the D, it feels a little big in the hand. Gotcha. It's the video all over again. But yeah, it's just a little bit big in the hand, so it's the arch feels like it's a little bit too much. So I feel like making it smaller, just that size reduction alone, is going to make it a little bit easier for different types of hands and different grip styles.
Really? I don't know, because like for me, ergonomic mice, they're for like mainly palm grips, right?
Yeah.
Like if you wanna, if you're a fingertip grip user, I would suggest just going for an ambidextrous mouse like the Model O, Model O minus. So like if you palm grip the D, then it's like not that bad, you know? Yeah. But then like the only problem I have with it is just a little bit like too big for fingertip grip. So I feel like Lucas said, if they come out with the D minus and it's obviously smaller, then it will be better for fingertip users. But like, why would you get it? Because why not just get the ambidextrous mouse? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I have a medium-sized hand, and I feel like the Model D for palm grip is really good for medium to large-sized hands. So I guess the only reason to get the D minus would be is if you have a small-sized hand and you palm grip, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's a little bit of that, but I mean, if you take someone like me, right, who would typically fingertip grip a mouse or claw grip while I'm gaming, and then when I'm just browsing the internet, I typically just rest my palm on it and just palm grip the mouse.
True.
So for something like that, I feel like the D minus is going to come in handy, because this is a little uncomfortable to fingertip just because of the size.
Yeah.
And I have larger hands, so I can get away with it, but for a lot of people, that wouldn't really work. So I think the D minus is going to be sort of on that perfect end of the spectrum as far as size, and then weight goes as well. The weight reduction will be nice, but we'll see what that turns out to be for sure.
Yes, and obviously we're probably going to see the same thing that we saw from the Model O. You know, like we have the matte version, a black and white color, and then a glossy version with a black and white color. You know,
and right now they're doing the pink editions right now on their website. Time
really?
filming this video, so that's pretty cool. See if we can get your hands on one of those.
Yeah, and the small mouse hype for me has died. You know, like I got on the hype train and I was like, ooh, small mice, we need as light as it gets. And then for a little while it was pretty nice, and I convinced myself that I liked the smaller mouse than the bigger mouse. But then I went back to like the regular size, like the medium size, or like just like the Model O size mouse, and I feel like I like this. It's just a little bit more comfortable. I like how it's a little bit lower profile and it fits my hand a little bit better, even though I do have a fingertip grip. And obviously, like, you would think that a smaller mouse would be a little bit more comfortable for fingertip grip, but then it just feels like better. You know, like I like the wider shape as well. And when I'm not gaming, and obviously you're not gonna be gaming the entire time, you're gonna be, you know, Facebook. You know what I'm saying? No, YouTube. No one has Facebook now. I'm just kidding. You know, when you're just not gaming, you'd probably, like, I'm pretty sure most people just palm grip, and it's just a little bit more comfortable than the smaller counterpart. So, but in this case, I feel like the Model D minus, like a smaller version of the D, would be a little bit better. So I am a little bit more excited about that than, I guess, the Model O to the Model O minus.
Yeah, I'm all for it personally. And what I'm really excited for, because yes, I do feel like the small mouse hype is sort of dying a little bit. What I'm waiting for is that Model I release and the I minus when they make that shit wireless.
Oh,
that's gonna be cool. Now we obviously don't know anything for sure on that, but I need more wireless mice.
Yes.
We need more companies to make more good, solid quality wireless mice. And I feel like Glorious is going to be the next company to come out with something like that. If anyone's going to do it, I feel like it should be Glorious. They tend to just be doing things right, and they're well loved by the community right now.
Yes.
So I would love to see something like that in the future for sure. But D minus, both excited about it. Seems
Yes.
like a good addition to the Glorious family.
Yes, so tell us what you guys think of the D-. And also, are you guys over the smaller mouse hype? Tell us down in the comment section below. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you in the next one.